Now we are connecting this JBL Clip 5 with the JBL Portable Companion app, which you can download on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. So let's download that and let's install that on this phone. By the way, this is an Android phone. So we open the app and there you go, the JBL Portable app, which is the companion app for this JBL Clip and other JBL speakers. So let's click get started, accept the terms and conditions, and then of course other settings. And here we go in the app. We open or we power on our JBL Clip 5, and then the app will automatically detect it, set up device, and there you go, device connected. So you can see JBL Clip 5. This will also ensure that you have a genuine product. So we have here the equalizer, the JBL signature sound, you can choose that. We have here the chill on the other side, so that's the JBL signature chill, of course energetic, vocal, and one good thing about this is you can also customize your own EQ. So there you go, in the mids, the lows, highs, at your preference. Alright, also we have here playtime boost, and then we also have here stereo group, so you can connect this with other JBL Clip speakers or other JBL portable speakers. So this is a JBL Clip 5, so that's where you have a party together, so you connect simultaneously speakers using this app. So you add another speaker there, any portable JBL speaker that is compatible with this. So that's it, using the JBL Portable app. That's a quick run through. Hope you enjoy your listening. This is Rye. See you on the next one. Bye guys.